Hello, my name is Sergey. I am service engineer from Hvac service company.
Hello, my name is Alexis. I am a lead in permit division Hvac service company.
Okay, the first question is how it works if you gonna receive rebate.
So first of all, I would like to tell you about the rebate. How much money can you get from this program? In San Mateo counties, you are eligible to get up to $2,000. And in Santa Clara County, you may get up to $1,000. Your house should be built before 2001, and your energy provider should be PG&E.
Okay, Alexis, what should be done if you want return your money back from rebate?
So first of all, you have to follow several steps. You need to install a heat pump water heater, to pull the permit for this installation and to close this permit. After that, you need to take a couple of photos of your water heater, then perform a gas test, combustion appliance safety test, and submit an application form at bayranresidential.org.
Okay, Alexis, my next question. How many days will it take to get a rebate?
So on average, it takes up to 2 or 3 months to get your rebate via mail.
Where can I get more information about rebate?
So you can research all required information at bayranresidential.org. Just go to this website and they have more details regarding how to get a rebate.
Okay, one more question. This rebate means $2,000 or $1,000. It was for which appliance?
So basically it is for heat pump water heater installation, and there are several programs regarding other appliances, but for more details please visit the bayranresidential.org website. Link in the description below.